In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore a backup on Hostinger step by step. If your website ever breaks, gets hacked, or you accidentally delete something important, restoring a backup can bring your entire website back to a working state in just a few minutes. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple inside the hPanel dashboard, and you don't need any technical experience to do it. I'll walk you through where to find your backups, how to choose the correct backup date, and how to restore either your website files or your database safely. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to recover your website using Hostinger's built-in backup tools. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Hostinger dashboard, also called hPanel. This is where you manage everything related to your hosting, including your domains, files, databases, and backups. From the main dashboard, look for the section called Websites. Click on Websites to see the list of websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website that you want to restore, and then click on Manage or Dashboard next to that site. This will open the management panel specifically for that website. Once you're inside your website dashboard, the next step is to locate the backup settings. On the left side or within the management options, look for the File section. Inside this section, you'll see an option labeled Backups. Click on Backups to open the Backup Management page. Hostinger automatically creates backups depending on your hosting plan, and here you'll be able to see the available backup dates for your website. These backups allow you to restore your website to a previous version from a specific date. Now you need to choose the backup you want to restore. On the Backups page, you'll see a list of available backup dates. Each date represents a snapshot of your website from that moment in time. Think about when your website was working properly and select a backup that was created before the issue occurred. Choosing the correct date is important because restoring a backup will replace the current version of your files or database with the version stored in that backup. After selecting the backup date you want, you'll see Restore options. Hostinger usually allows you to restore either website files or the database. If your website layout, images, or themes are broken, you'll most likely want to restore the files. If the issue is related to missing posts, login errors, or website data problems, you may need to restore the database instead. Simply click the Restore button next to the option you want to recover. Once you click Restore, Hostinger will ask you to confirm the action. This is because restoring a backup will overwrite the current version of the files or database. Confirm the restoration and then wait for the process to complete. The system will begin restoring your website using the selected backup. Depending on the size of your site, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. During this time, it's best not to close the dashboard or interrupt the process. When the restoration finishes, your website should now be reverted to the selected backup version. You can open your website in a new Processor tab and check that everything is working correctly again. If the issue is fixed, then your backup restoration was successful and your website is back online. And that's it. That's how to restore a backup on Hostinger quickly and safely using the built-in backup feature. If this video helped you recover your website, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful hosting and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.